Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel in 2024 but want to keep things simple, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 copy-paste channel ideas that require minimal effort but can still help you make money on YouTube. So, let's get started. First up, we have the self-growth niche. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't everyone doing that? Yes, but here's the twist. Instead of creating original content, you can leverage the wealth of existing motivational books and resources. All you need to do is take key quotes and insights, create simple videos around them, and you're good to go. But remember, while this might seem easy, it's essential to add your unique voice to stand out. Next, we have the Daily Motivation Hub. People love starting their day with affirmations and motivational messages. You can create short, simple videos that provide daily affirmations or inspirational quotes. Use royalty-free music, combine it with relaxing visuals, and you've got content that people will come back to day after day. It's low effort but highly impactful. Fitness content is always in demand, and here's a way to create it with minimal effort. Use animations or stock footage of exercises and add a basic voiceover explaining the routine. You don't even have to appear on camera. This type of content is perfect for beginners and can easily attract a wide audience looking for quick fitness tips. Everyone loves a good top 10 list, and they're incredibly easy to make. Whether it's the top 10 richest YouTubers, top 10 billionaires, or even top 10 viral moments, this content practically creates itself. Use trending topics to your advantage, and you'll see your videos getting clicks in no time. Lastly, let's talk about memes. Memes are the language of the internet, and people are always searching for the latest ones. Create a channel dedicated to the best memes, and allow others to use your content under Creative Commons. This not only drives traffic, but also builds a community around your channel. So there you have it. 5 easy copy-paste YouTube channel ideas for 2024. Remember, while these ideas require minimal effort, adding your personal touch and creativity is what will make your channel truly successful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. See you in the next video.